And a note to myself, I had a little interaction with Zoom about a group, volunteer, another volunteer group I belong to. So I would talk about that and crosstalk.
So it is November 14th, 2019, and this is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. So go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, this is Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And this past week, basically, I bought a wagon. That's pretty much it. In the coming week, I want to do everything that I'm going to do. I think I may do the report and ping Joe again, I guess, about the financials. Or did we? Yeah, I'll ask in crosstalk anyway. I want to do that, but I'm dying to get into your Python code. So again, in crosstalk, I'm going to be asking. So my block is not just the Python in your Arduino code. Oh yes, no, it's the spreadsheet. So my block is, there was a spreadsheet with all the pins on the rock hopper, the rock crawler. And so I want to get directed to that spreadsheet because I don't remember where it is. So that was my block, and that's it for me.
Okay. It's Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon. This week I got last week's video posted. I was looking through the videos this afternoon and went, oh, I guess I forgot to upload that. So I did get it uploaded. And I did get one more person signed up to the Google group. And unfortunately, that's all I got done this week. I guess I commented on the wagon that you were looking at. And next week, like you, I want to do everything. I've got a list probably 5 weeks long that I want to get done. But it all starts with getting the Arduino powered up on a breadboard and playing around with the LEDs. And I'd like to take video of it because as I fumble my way through, I'm sure I'm going to make some of the same mistakes that you would probably make. So I might as well take video of it and just have one of us make the mistake. You don't have to go ahead and make mistakes too. And no blocks. I guess back to you.
Okay, so it's 3 for me. I'm going to give myself a 4 because I acted. I acted either boldly or impulsively and got the wagon. And 10 for the team, and process improvement. I did have an idea. It's quite sensitive, so I'm gonna no, nothing from me for process improvement this week, and that's it.
Okay. I think I got 1.5 points out of my 3, so that's 5 out of 10. 1 for coming to the meeting, so that's 6. I'm gonna go with 6 for the team because it's still just the 2 of us. And I don't, as usual, I don't have a process improvement for just the 2 of us. Now, normally we'd have demo after the stand-up and before a retrospective, but we haven't had demo for a while. Hopefully next week we'll actually have something to share for demo, or at least hopefully I will have something to share for demo. So it would be nice to get back, nice to get back to following the format. So that pretty much wraps it up for our stand-up. There's part of crosstalk you want recorded and part not, is what I'm guessing.
I think for me, I don't want any of it recorded.
Oh, okay. All right, then I will get this stopped, and we can start a crosstalk. It didn't work.